What you're looking at right now is an app that's generating over $400,000 every single month. And in the screenshot, you'll see proof of exactly how much money apps like this are making. The crazy part? I just finished building my own version of this exact app, and I didn't write a single line of code. While most people are still trying to learn programming languages, I discovered something that completely breaks the game. There's one AI tool that can build entire applications for you, complete with payment systems, user interfaces, everything. And I'm about to prove it works. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how I reverse engineered a multi-million-dollar app, copied all of their best features, and connected it to Stripe for instant monetization. But here's the thing that's going to blow your mind. The AI tool I used isn't some expensive enterprise software. It's something anyone can access right now. Because what I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about app development forever. So let's dive in. The app needs something solid to stand on. That means setting up a clear layout where users can easily move around and get a sense of structure right from the beginning. Starting with design keeps everything organized, and it also gives us a canvas we can keep building on as the project grows. I'll ask Cursor to generate the initial design. Hi Cursor, let's build an awesome AI logo generator app. First, let's build the app's layout. Please create a simple web app that's mobile friendly, that has a modern and creative look. Have 3 main sections: dashboard, history, settings. Please build these first with an emphasis on design. We'll integrate AI capabilities and the like later on. So let's try to launch the app. The 3 sections load exactly as planned: the dashboard, history, and settings. Each easy to navigate. On mobile view, the layout shifts into place without breaking, showing that the design is already responsive. It's only the first draft, but the structure is solid and ready for the features we'll build on top of it. So the result is a clean baseline design with the 3 sections already in place. It's minimal, but it works, and it gives us exactly what we need to build on later. And since this app is about design, the layout needs to go beyond the basics. The interface should look sharper, and we'll add a description field so users can type in exactly what kind of logo they want. And to push things further, I'll ask Cursor to update the design with a more modern logo builder style. Great job! Now please update design of the app. Make it look like a modern logo builder. Also, add a description field where the user can add some context to the type of logo they want to create. Also, please create a dark theme and a button to toggle between themes. Cursor updates the app, and now the description box is in place, giving users a way to type in what kind of logo they want. The dark mode toggle is working too, switching the whole interface between light and dark with a single click. A few glitches are showing up in the UI, but we can fix those later. Let's run through it. I'll check each section, and the new input field is right there ready to use. The theme switch works instantly, changing the look without breaking anything else. Even small changes like this push the project forward and start shaping it into a real design tool. So far, the app has just been a shell, but this is the step where it finally learns how to create logos. We'll hook it up to OpenAI and let Cursor handle the setup, adding the functionality and API parameters. This is the part that makes all those fields we built earlier actually mean something. Whatever you type in will finally turn into a real logo. So to get that working, let's head over to OpenAI, grab a new API key, and drop it into Cursor along with the instructions. That's what gives the app the ability to actually turn user inputs into designs. Let's tell Cursor, great job! Now, please integrate OpenAI and build its parameters accordingly. We need OpenAI to generate logos based on the settings and description the users gave in our app. Here is the API key. From here, the groundwork we laid earlier connects directly into the engine that produces the logos. The fields aren't just empty boxes anymore. The name, the industry, and description, all of it gets passed into OpenAI. And instead of just staring at a layout, we're about to see the app produce something for real. I'm going to try it out by typing in a few details and hitting generate. After a while, the first logo shows up on screen. Seeing that appear for the first time is a real milestone, as this is the point where the project stops being a demo and starts being an actual tool. The app can already generate logos, but right now, it doesn't give users much freedom. That means we need to open it up and let people actually make some choices. Things like adding or removing text, picking their own colors and fonts, or switching between different layouts. Little details like that make a big difference because nobody wants a logo that looks completely random, right? So here I'll send Cursor a new prompt to expand the parameters we're passing on to OpenAI. Great job, Cursor! Now please expand the parameters we give to OpenAI so we have more customization in the logo being generated. Please give the user the option to choose whether there's text in the logo, preferred colors, fonts, and layout options. Please build this so the user has more freedom with their logo generation. After a quick build, the app comes back with more tools for the user. Instead of just typing a description and waiting for a logo, you can now fine-tune the design by choosing fonts, colors, layouts, and even deciding if text should appear at all. It instantly makes the generator more flexible. Now I'll try it out by adjusting a few of the new options and creating another logo. The process takes a few minutes, but when the design finally appears, it reflects the changes I made. The app is now more interactive, where the choices we made up front directly shape what comes out at the end. Logos are a great start, but design tools really shine when they offer more than one path. So the next feature on the list is an avatar creator, giving users the option to build something more personal alongside their logos. And since design is all about context, we'll also add previews that show how those creations might look on products, business cards, and other branding materials. Now let's tell Cursor, great! Now please expand the app's functionality by giving the user the option to create a logo for an avatar. Furthermore, expand the logo creation viewer and its parameters. Give the users the ability to see what their avatar or logo will look like in different scenarios, such as product mockups, business cards, and general corporate branding. The update introduces two big additions: the choice between generating a logo or an avatar, and the ability to see each design placed into real-world settings. So instead of staring at a flat output, users now get mockups that show how their work could actually live out in the world. We'll run a quick test here. Let's set up an avatar and let it generate. After a short wait, the result appears along with mockup previews on cards and products. Having those previews right next to each other makes it easy to imagine how the design would actually get used. And as the app grows, it's picking up more features, but the process is starting to feel a little messy. Too many options on the screen at once can overwhelm users. So the next step is to clean things up. I asked Cursor to streamline the UX, make the flow easier to follow, and add something that's been missing from the start: an option to export the generated images into standard formats like PNG, SVG, or JPEG. Great job! Now please improve the user experience of the application. It's currently very clunky. Please make the selection seamless or better overall. Also, please add an option to export generated image to any image format, such as PNG, SVG, EPS, JPEG, etc. After the update, the layout is tidier and much easier to move through. The overall design still looks familiar, but key parts have been reworked so they're less cluttered and more intuitive. And on top of that, the app can now export the logos it creates, which instantly makes it more useful for anyone who actually wants to take these designs outside the project. It's clear the update made a big difference, and the app doesn't look the same as the earlier version. Every solid app eventually needs a way for users to unlock more features, right? So this step is about adding a premium upgrade. To make that possible, I'm going to set up a new section in the app dedicated to premium and connect it to Stripe so payments can run smoothly. The idea is simple. Show users what they'll get if they upgrade, give them a button, and let Stripe handle the checkout. And this is what we're going to tell Cursor. Awesome! Now please create a new section called Premium. Inside the section will be details about the app's premium upgrade. Also, please connect Stripe for the payment checkout option. Keep it a simple payment gateway using their API keys. Here's the API keys. Do the steps here. At the end of the premium upgrade page, there should be a button that triggers the premium upgrade. After copying the publishable and secret keys from Stripe and pasting them into Cursor, the integration goes live. The app now has a premium section with a straightforward payment flow. And once the button is clicked, Stripe takes care of the rest. Now I want to test this out. Let's head to the premium page, walk through a checkout, and confirm the subscription. As soon as the transaction clears, the app recognizes the upgrade and unlocks premium access, showing that the payment system is fully in place. And that's the full journey, from a simple layout all the way to an AI-powered app with customization, avatars, and even a premium upgrade system. If you're into this kind of build, hit subscribe and stick around. There's plenty more to come. And If you've got an idea for what we should throw into the next app, drop it in the comments. I'm always curious to see what you guys come up with next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.